Are you tired of spending an hour every morning style your hair? Short hairs are game changer, but low maintenance short hair is a lifestyle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fresh and Curly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. In this video, we are counting down the best short haircuts that require zero heat, minimal products, and look even better as they grow out. Let's reclaim your morning routine. First up, the texture pixie. Unlike the stuck bob, a feathered pixie thrives on being a little messy. Just a bob of hair wax or sea salt spray and you are out the door. And for the ultimate low maintenance queen, the buzz cut or ultra short crop. It highlights your facial features perfectly and literally requires zero styling. It's the bravest, most liberating look you can choose. If you prefer a bit more length, the French girl bob is your best friend. This cut is designed to be air dried. It embraces your natural waves and looks chic even when it's undone. Another favorite is the shaggy lob. Because of the heavy layering, you don't have to worry about perfect ends. It's meant to look effortless and walk up like this, making it perfect for busy professionals and students. The secret of low maintenance hair is not just the cut, is it the care. Use a leave-in conditioner to keep frizz away without styling tools. The best perfect about these styles, they grow out beautifully. You can skip a salon appointment for a few weeks and the grown out look just adds to the character of the style. Which of these wash and go styles is calling your name? Tell me know in the comments. If you're ready to chop it all off for a street-free morning. Give this video a thumbs up if you love easy hair and subscribe for more beauty hacks. See you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.